Knee joint pain is very common because knee joint is our weight bearing joint. So once we have crossed our 40s, the pain will start. But we have seen this pain very commonly occurring very early in housewives, in females. And do you wonder why? So we have our literature saying that the osteoarthritis, the process of cartilage loss, starts happening early in females. Usually what we have seen in females after 45-50, this cartilage loss will start happening and the patients will start coming to us with pain. But why do you wonder this is more common in females as compared to males? Does it mean that males do not undergo through this damage? Of course they do, because it's not a disease, it's basically a physiological condition. So every human being will go through this process of cartilage loss, and some point of time they will have this knee pain. But why the females, why housewives are very more prone? Because they keep on continuously walking from morning to evening. They're continuously engrossed in their activities, in their household chores. They do a lot of running throughout the day. And this is the reason why housewives and females are very prone. So let us understand how this osteoarthritis is going to affect the aging process. Osteoarthritis basically means there is loss of cartilage in the joint, and so the muscles around the joints become stiff. And this process of damage usually progresses from stage 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and from 4. So initially at the age of 40 is the time when you should actually start taking care of your joint. You have pain, you don't have pain, it doesn't matter. This is the time, just like we take care of our skin. After 30s, we females try to prefer applying for anti-wrinkles and all those things. So ladies, please, the moment you start thinking of taking care of your joint, that is the time, that is actually the right time when you should make a decision. So what are the things that we should do is, you should try to reduce your weight. So if you are overweight or you think that you are on a healthier side, please try reducing your weight. Second very important point is doing exercises. So there are specific quadriceps exercises, there are some knee joint exercises. So we have a lot of exercises. You can approach your nearby physical therapy clinics, or you can see in YouTube and start doing some strengthening exercises so that the muscles are mobile, the joints are mobile, and you're leading a happy, active life. The third very important point is try to keep your vitamin D levels and calciums at check. Now, this is the time when most of the females are approaching menopause, and or they are in a premenopausal group, and at this time the estrogen and all the hormones start withdrawing from the body, and so this may lead to more increase in the pain. So keep your calcium levels, keep your vitamin D levels at check, and if you're not taking calcium rich food, please try taking calcium rich food, and if possible you can also add calcium supplements to your diet. Then how to maintain a healthy life without straining your knee. The first very important thing is stop sitting on the floor, stop squatting. Because in Indian tradition, we have seen that we have this habit of sitting on the floor with family, squatting and enjoying our meals. So please, after the age of 40, stop sitting on the floor. Try to have your food sitting on the dining table. You do not squat. Once you're squatting, the entire body weight falls on your knee joint. Another thing is some exercises, especially the treadmills, which have come into, since last decade, we have seen a lot of females getting into treadmill. So treadmill is again one of the reasons why your joint are degenerating early, because when you're doing a treadmill, there is a lot of strain happening into the joint. So what are the exercises which you can do? Like cycling is safe, like swimming is safe, but try to avoid treadmills. And finally, try to avoid taking staircase. So whenever you have this option of taking lift, please do opt for taking lift, because whenever you are trying to take stairs, you are only damaging your knee joints. So I request all the females watching this, please take care of your joint once you have approached 40, because this is the time when you start taking care of your joint, your aging is going to be healthier and happier. Thank you.